Well, today we're going to fix the exhaust on the Tacoma. Not a big fan of doing exhaust. It's kind of like Pandora's box, but it is what it is. Once you start ripping things apart, you got to roll with it and get it fixed and get it back together so you can roll down the highway. So anyways, let's get her done. Right, Moose? Well, this bolt's starting to get thin. That happens in time. The other bolt completely disintegrated. So anyways, on a trip I had to jam a bolt in. So since I'm going to use this opportunity, taking off the bolt I put on my trip on the truck. Anyways, it's just about got it loose. So with a hammer I tap this end, and basically there's nothing really to this bolt, as you can see. So now that's got it freed up. Now I can replace this gasket that's in here. There you go, like so, new gasket. So I'll get a pry bar or a flat screwdriver, jam it in there. I can get it back. When I did that, the last of the old gasket fell out. And then just take a peek in, make sure it's all clean. Scrape the remains of the old gasket out before you rebolt things up. So there's a shot of the new gasket, and we'll put it in. So got the new gasket in. Now I'm going to put some bolts and some washers and jam it all together. Well, there you go. Job completed. Yes, I used hardware store bolts. That's what I had. So I used them. And I put on extra washers and lock washers, and then that way with the vibrations it should hold together nicely. But anyways, this job only took about 15 minutes, give or take. I wasn't really keeping track of time. I just wanted to get it done. There you go. Thanks for watching today's video. Cheers.